Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to set up paid Facebook ads for auto detailing on the campaign section. So let's get into the video. Let me share my screen. And this time I am not doing my regular ad account because my last one got hacked when I showed the ad ID. So this ad ID does not matter to me because I don't run ads on this account. So that is why I don't have my regular ad account right now. So what you want to do for auto detailing ads, you guys should already know what type of ads I prefer. That's covered in a separate video that I already made. So when you guys know the ad you want to run, I like to run messenger campaigns. So people might say run, website traffic, maybe run a lead form. You can do those, but Facebook Messenger campaigns have worked out the best for me and my clients. So that is why we use Facebook Messenger campaigns, because you get that phone number. You can send voice memos through Facebook Messenger as well. It makes things a whole lot better. So click on create on the green button there and rewind this video if you need to. Click on engagement. Click continue. We're not going to name the campaign. We're just gonna go right to the ad set. So click on the second one down and then scroll down. You'll want to select your page for the page. So you already want to make your business Facebook page. So do that if you need to. I actually made a video on that on my YouTube channel. Change this to $5 per day. I recommend $5 a day. Facebook sets it at $20 a day because they want you to waste more money. They're kind of sneaky about that. So just change that to $5 a day. And then you can always ramp it up, but usually it's best to start slow and then ramp up slowly as you go. You don't want to start high and then have to go down. And then your audience, don't change anything here. Just click on edit location and then type in your city. Mine's St. Louis. Click on, make sure it says city. Make sure it's 25-mile radius. I recommend. You can do a smaller radius if you would like to and see if that works. And you can also try 35-mile radius if that and see if that works. It's all up to you on how far you want to travel. If your CPM is going to go higher, the smaller the radius is, the less people you're going to advertise to, and the higher your cost per message is going to be, just to let you know. But you can experiment with it if you want. If you don't like to travel or whatever. Leave this on that, and then advantage placements, leave that there. Click next. Okay, now we're in the actual ad itself. So I already told you guys exactly how to make your ad, so you should know what images to use. Make sure you select your Instagram account because it's not really important, but just do it anyways. Because we mostly do Facebook feed ads. Okay. So the text, you want to say, hey, St. Louis and nearby areas, exclamation mark, put your city in there for you, and then say, we offer interior, we offer various services, services, that's wrong there. I'm not really going to make this, presentable because I'm not going to run this ad. But if you were going to run this ad, you would say, you'd put a little emoji here, like a check emoji. And then you would say interior, basic package, and then interior premium, and then your exterior basic, exterior. This is just for an example. I actually used to do auto detailing myself, so this is kind of what I used to do. Used to have like 4 different packages I would do. And then you would say call/text and then put your phone number. Okay, so just put your phone number down there and that's it. Okay, don't do nothing else. Just put your services, say, hey, nearby areas, your city, and then call or text your phone number. That's it. That's all we're going to do. Nothing fancy. A lot of people are doing like has to be your offer has to be a certain offer to get people interested. Nope, none of that. Just say that, call or text, real simple. I like to keep everything real simple. And then also put a car emoji down here to make it a little bit more flamboyant, more attractive, more pleasing. And then scroll down. This should all be checked here, and then you can edit your message template if you want to, and then have a pixel set up if you have a website. But we're not really using the pixel because nothing's going to the website, so we don't need to track that at all. That would be in the ad set if we were going to do retargeted ads, but we're not doing that right now. But you would just click publish, and then that's your ad. Okay. So hopefully you guys got some value from this video. And without further ado, I'm gonna end the video right now on this. I covered everything you have to do to make your ad for auto detailing, and also add your media here. But I covered that in a separate video, what images to use. So make sure you add a media image and put your image for your media in here. Okay. So this would be an auto detailing. So you would put a car in here, whatever I told you guys on the video. For my other video I made for auto detailing, but just put the image here that you want on right here. Okay. Without further ado, I'm gonna end the video right now, and I will catch you guys on the next one. So see you guys.